Okay, there's a lot to these questions. Sam buys 20 boxes of oranges. Each box costs £7. There's 25 oranges in each box. He sells 2/5 of the oranges and he sells them for 40p. The rest he sells 3 for 50p. Did he make a profit? Okay, now the first thing we need to do is to work out how much did he spend. So if he's bought 20 boxes of oranges and they cost £7, we do 20 times 7. Okay, 2 times 7 is 14. Add on a 0. Is £140. So he spent £140. So all we need to do is we need to work out how much did he earn, and if that's more than £140, he made a profit. If it's less, he didn't. Okay, so let's see. So if he's got 20 boxes of oranges and there's 25 oranges in each box, we need to work out how many oranges there are all together. So again, I have to do 20 times 25. Okay, now this is a little bit harder, so I'm actually going to do the grid for this. Okay, you could just do 25 times 2 and then put a 0 on the end, but because it's a bigger number, let's just do the grid anyway. Right, 20 times 20 is 400. 20 times 5, so 2 times 5 is 10, add a 0 is 100. 0, 0. 400 plus 100 is 500. So he's got 500 oranges. I'm actually going to put oranges there. Make it clear for the examiner. Now if he sells 2/5 of the oranges, we have to work out 2/5 of 500. And to times by fractions, remember you can either times by the top or divide by the bottom, or divide by the bottom times by the top. In this case I'm going to divide first. So 500 divided by 5 is 100, times by 2 is 200. So he sold 200 oranges for 40p. So I need to do 200 times 40. 2 times 4 is 8, and I add on 3 zeros. Try and think about what unit is that in. Is that in pence or is it in pounds? Now, because that's 40p up here, it's actually 800 pence. Now you can convert it into pounds if you want now, or I can do it later. I'm just going to do it a slight bit later. Now next bit, the rest, he sells 3 for 50p. Now if he sold 200 and he had 500, that means he's got 300 that he sold, and it's 3 for 50p. Now you want to think about how many times does 3 go into 300, which means he's got 100. So it's like 100 times he sold 3 lots of them for 50p. So it's really going to be 100 times 50. It's going to be 100 times he sold 3 lots of them, which would make up a 300. Okay, 1 times 5 is 5. Add on the 3 zeros. Again, this is in pence. We have to add these two together. Okay, to see how much that is. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. We worked out these £140. This is not £13,000. This is 13,000 pence. So to change it into pounds, we divide by 100. So it's £130. So if you think if he's made £130, he's spent £140. That means he's lost a tenner. Now make sure you've got to say no. He has lost £10.